Got this delivered in just today. Nice one. Just got this delivered. Stop. Found the box, so from the phone. Alright, another one. Okay. Very nice packaging by the way. It's really comfortable. I mean the box is a bit deformed, but still way better than any of the Amazon boxes I've received. Alright, this is what we have. This is my cameras. This is what we've gotten. Bubble wrapping. So this is the DAC. This is the Audiocular Spark. This is the Audiocular Spark. Oh, it comes in its very own packaging. Yes. There we go. Comes in its very own packaging. This is how I received it. Let's see how the DAC itself looks. Okay, so this is the rest of the rubber packaging. Let's see. Yep. Alright. Alright, so here's the DAC. Here is DAC. Versus these gold connectors. Focus. This is how the DAC looks. It has this nice transparent look and feel to it, plus it has this window where you can see the chips and stuff. Pretty solid, not gonna lie. And this is the USB-A converter. This is the USB-A converter. In hand, looks and feels pretty nice if you ask me. It's pretty nice, pretty strong. Doesn't feel cheap at all. The fit is pretty nice. It has a good click to it. This is the DAC. This is the Audiocular Spark. This is the new DAC that I've launched. So that is the first thing that I've received in the package. And not to mention this carrying case is nice as well. The zip feels nice, it looks good. This is, if I'm not wrong, this is the invoice. Yep, this is the tax invoice. Get that away. This is what I am mainly excited about. This is, you guys can read the name because it's free. You guys can't. You guys can read the name. Focus. Roseselsa Aurora. These are brand new IEMs that I've bought. This is brand new IEM that I bought. This is an upgrade over the console owners that I originally had. Upgrade over those. So just cut the head. Perfect. I love the packaging by the way. It's really nice. concept card would have literally just thrown everything in a packet, in a box like this, and would have called it a day. But these guys actually outdid themselves. This is the packaging. This is the Roseselsa Aurora Ultra, designed for music lovers. It's nice. So this is where you cut. We always cut from the edge. You can hear that's good. Just pull it up. It comes right off. Pull everything up and it comes right off. Yep. Love how it just splits up. Another nice carrying case. This has a leatherish finish to it. This is the user manual. I have no idea who reads these, but they sent it anyway, so I appreciate that. Next up we have ear tips. These are wide bow ear tips. These look nice, so keep them. We'll just quickly repackage everything, put it all in, so we get it nice. Let's get to the good part. We are all here for. We are all here for. This is a nice. This is a magnetic case. These are the IEMs themselves. And here is the cable. These are the cables that almost every YouTuber complains about. I think it's pretty nice for the price that we have gotten it. It's at least better than the thin and flimsy cables that something like Tanzumon is shipped with. This is actually at least sprayed. These look nice. And you can just buy new cable, a replacement cable if you use it. And this has a velvet. This has a velvet finish to it. This inner part, it's velvet. And again, just hear that. You can actually hear the air kind of getting out. Good stuff. Spark. The main reason now, why did I buy the Roseselsa? Why did I buy the Auroras? Main reason, form factor. These guys are tiny, and considering that they have managed to pack a dynamic driver as well as a planar driver into a form factor of this size. This is my hand. This is the IEM. Look how small this guy is. This has 4 fucking drivers inside. Damn. So form factor is of course one of the main reasons. We're gonna quickly take both of these out. Take both of these out. I'll quickly take both of these out. Yeah, these are the IEMs in your monitors. Faceplate is aluminum, and well, it's resin. It feels very nice in hands. And just gonna quickly hook them up with the cable with the copper. They've got them hooked. This is the right. This is the good. This is good. You need to push them in. Right, so I've managed to hook them up. Usually have a structure. If you know my videos, you know that I follow the structures. Four of us. How are you doing? Come on. Stop me from doing that. That somehow. Alright. Alright, I've got them in. Right, I'll use them for a bit and I'll tell you this out.